Have you ever wanted to write a song about your childhood memories, your favorite place, or a personal milestone? Now you can. No instruments, no singing skills required. Hi, I'm Alex, your AI guide for today's music making tutorial. Today, I'll introduce you to an incredible AI tool that can not only write lyrics professionally but also create real music. It offers hundreds of styles, from classical and jazz to K-pop, and features a wide variety of voices. We'll explore how to create catchy marketing jingles as well as complete songs on any topic. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Now let's explore the features and key strengths of SUNO AI, a powerful tool that can generate songs in any genre within seconds. SUNO produces original music quickly, helping you save time and resources while opening up endless opportunities for creative experimentation. It's especially valuable for advertising, as studies show that over 80% of ad messages include music, and those with music are far more memorable than those without. With SUNO, you can also create content for social media, background music for apps, virtual events, call centers, radio broadcasts, or even voiceover projects. Let's dive into what SUNO can do, starting with how to setting up your account. To sign up, simply go to the official SUNO website and click Sign In at the top right corner. You can log in using your Google, Microsoft, or Discord account. The first tab you'll see is Home. This is the main page where you can explore tracks created by other users. Moderators curate themed playlists and organize songs by genre, making it easy to discover music that matches your interest. There's also a regularly updated list of trending tracks. You can listen to songs, like them, see how many likes they've received, repost them, and even view the lyrics. Before generating your own songs, I recommend browsing the trending and top tracks. This gives you a sense of what makes a song popular, including the prompts used, the structure, and the tags added by creators. It's a great way to learn from what's already working. When creating your own tracks, you can use square brackets to describe what you want to hear in the tune, such as a specific mood or instruments, and use parentheses to refine vocal details or lyrical themes. All of this comes together in their Create section, which we'll explore next, where you can start generating your own music in just a few clicks. The Explore section in SUNO AI showcases the latest and most popular musical styles available on the platform. By clicking on a style name, you can listen to sample tracks and gather inspiration for your own creations. Exploring these styles is a great way to spark creativity and discover new musical directions. There's also a search function that lets you find songs, playlists, or users by entering keywords. Currently, SUNO AI offers version 4.5, the latest and most advanced release. Featuring improved audio quality, smarter prompt interpretation, extended track length, and a broader range of genre combinations. However, access to version 4.5 is currently limited to Pro and Premium subscribers. Free users still work with version 4.0 and earlier, with limited capability. Under the basic free plan, you receive 50 credits every day. That gives you enough to generate around 10 songs per day using older versions like 3.5. These tracks are for non-commercial use only, which makes this plan perfect for experimenting with the platform, testing ideas, or creating demos and tutorials. However, it comes with some limitations. You cannot purchase extra credits, generation speed is slower, and you are limited to just 2 active jobs at a time. If you want more flexibility, the Pro plan offers a big upgrade. Priced at $10 per month, it gives you 2,500 credits, which is enough to generate approximately 500 songs each month. This plan includes access to the latest AI model, early access to beta features, and commercial usage rights for songs created during your subscription. You also get faster generation speeds, priority in the queue, and the ability to run up to 10 concurrent jobs. It is a solid choice for content creators, educators, and digital marketers. For users producing at a higher volume, the premium plan is the most powerful option. At $30 per month, it includes 10,000 credits, allowing you to generate up to 2,000 songs every month. This plan gives you everything included in the Pro plan, plus the highest generation priority, up to 20 concurrent jobs, and extended commercial rights. It is ideal for professional studios, production teams, and businesses looking to scale their AI music creation. From here, click on Create to begin. You'll see 3 options: Simple, Custom, and Instrumental. We'll explore each of these in more detail shortly, but first, it's important to understand what each mode is for. The simple option quickly generates a complete song from a short text prompt. It takes care of the music composition, lyrics, and vocals, and even selects the genre, vocal style, and mood automatically based on your input. This is perfect for fast results, experimentation, or quick demos. The custom mode gives you more creative control. Along with your prompt, you can choose the genre and vocal type, whether male, female, or none. You can also write your own lyrics, which is ideal for producing a song with a specific style, message, or mood. The instrumental mode lets you create music without vocals. You simply enter a prompt, and SUNO generates a track with the right instruments and feel. This is great for background music, video scores, or if you plan to add your own vocals later. Let's begin with simple mode. For example, let's create an energetic workout track. I'll type in a prompt, an energetic upbeat electronic track for gym workouts, and let's see what it gives us. Each time you click Generate, SUNO creates 2 different song variations using the same lyrics. You can keep generating until you find one you like. Just a heads up, each song generation costs 5 credits.
I wanna make you sweat till your skin is glowing. Got me soaking wet, but the music's flowing. I wanna make you sweat till your skin is glowing. Got me soaking wet, but the music's flowing.
Now that you know how to use simple mode, let us move on to custom mode, which is the most powerful feature. This is where the real magic happens. In custom mode, you can work in 2 ways, auto or write lyrics. With auto, you just provide the idea and SUNO will generate the lyrics and compose the entire song for you. For example, let us make a hopeful song about starting fresh after heartbreak and finding new love. I will also describe the style, maybe something like electro-pop with a 4-on-the-floor beat, bright synths, catchy vocals, and a radio-ready sound. You can also exclude genres you do not want, like rock, metal, trap, lo-fi, orchestral, acoustic, country, jazz, reggae, indie folk, or dark ambient. Now let us hear the result.
We all need someone to hold us down, keep our feet on the ground. Hello, where you been all my life? Come on, let's go. You could be the one I've been looking for. When it's right, and nothing you know.
Next, we will create a song using our own lyrics. This gives us more control and avoids repetitive phrases that AI often uses. While SUNO can generate lyrics, writing your own will sound more original and personal. If you are unsure how to write lyrics, you can use ChatGPT. Just go to Explore GPTs, search for SUNO, and select version 4.5. Then ask it to write a song. For example, write a song titled I Will Be There For You in EDM style with synth pads and a futuristic vibe. Copy the lyrics, style, and title, then paste them into SUNO. Keep in mind that results can vary. Sometimes you get exactly what you want, other times you may need to regenerate or make a few adjustments. If you want to edit the song, you will need a paid plan like Pro. You can replace specific segments, such as changing the vocals from male to female. Just enter the new prompt, select female vocals, and exclude the styles you do not want. SUNO will regenerate only that section while keeping the rest of the song the same. You can also extend a song if it ends too soon, or simply to add more content. If there is a section you want to remove, you can crop it. You can also add a fade out to make the ending sound more natural. If you want to create a cover song in SUNO, you can reuse the lyrics and style from a previous track. You can also add your own melody by singing, humming, or whistling. The Get Stems feature lets you extract vocals for an acapella or remove them for a karaoke version. If you have a good singing voice, you can use the instrumental and record your own performance. You can save your favorite sound settings as a persona, give it a name, upload an image, and set it as public or private. Lastly, SUNO supports audio-based generation, allowing you to upload or record a melody for the AI to build a full track around it, perfect for starting from your own musical idea. With version 4.5, SUNO has made a big leap in sound quality and overall performance. Songs are more refined and versatile. You can take the parts you like, add your own creativity, and even re-sing them using SUNO to produce a personalized cover. Once the base is solid, you can shape the final result to match your vision. SUNO is also excellent for background music creation. You no longer need to hire musicians or search endlessly through stock music libraries. It adapts to your project and makes content creation much easier for musicians, marketers, and video editors. What do you think? Will SUNO become more popular for business use or personal creativity? If you have explored it or plan to, feel free to share your experience or creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
Woke up to the static in the sky, searching for your light as the stars pass by. Your voice is signal breaking through the noise. In the silence, you're my only choice. Even in the zero gravity, I feel your pulse inside of me. Distance is a state of mind. I'll cross the galaxies in time. I will be there for you, no matter what we go through. Light years away, but it's true. Nothing can pull me from you.